In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SRT files to Vimeo. Now, if you're aiming to enhance your videos by adding subtitles or captions, this guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. First, head over to your internet browser and visit Vimeo's website at vimeo.com. You'll need to log into your account. If you're not already signed up, take a moment to create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can navigate through various options. Next, direct your attention to the navigation bar. You'll want to find and click on Library. This is your hub for all the videos you've uploaded, and it's where you'll manage your content on Vimeo. If the video you want to add subtitles to is already uploaded, locate it in your library and click to select it. Otherwise, if you haven't uploaded your video yet, now is the perfect time to do so. Follow the simple upload prompts to get your video onto the platform. Once you're on your video's main page, look to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find several options, but what you're interested in is languages. Click on this option and then move on to select the Subload icon. This step initiates the process of adding subtitle files to your video, making it accessible to audiences who might benefit from captions in a variety of languages. Now it's time to upload your caption file. Ensure you have your SRT file prepared. If you're unsure about creating an SRT file, you might want to explore various online tools or software that can help you generate one. With your SRT file ready, click on Select a File on the web page. A window will pop up prompting you to choose the SRT file from your computer's storage. Find your file, select it, and ensure it's the correct one. While you're still in the uploading interface, make sure you select the appropriate language and the type of captions you're adding. Vimeo allows you to specify whether these are subtitles for a specific language audience or captions for the hearing impaired. Finally, with all the necessary details confirmed, hit the Upload button. Vimeo will process your file, and in just a moment your captions will be integrated into your video. You can preview the video to ensure everything looks good and admire your work, and voila! You've successfully added an SRT file to your Vimeo video. It's a simple, effective way to make your videos more inclusive and engaging to a broader audience. With that, you can now share your videos knowing that your content is ready for viewers everywhere. Thanks for watching, and happy captioning.